Hey guys, it's Bo Abel here with BSG. Choose BSG. Remember, if you can't do it yourself, then choose BSG. Some of you guys may go to our website and notice a page called CMS. And what a CMS is basically a website builder, or it's to help you build your websites. And we program, or actually we build our websites on several different CMSs, using different CMSs. I'm going to explain a little bit what a CMS is, and then after that, it's like I'm going to get into some of the different platforms that we use over here at BSG. A CMS is a content management system, and basically what that is a way of you putting your blogs, your pictures, your videos, any little codes or widgets, like say you have like your Facebook and social media widgets down at the bottom. A CMS is just a way for you to put all that stuff into one place easily and then have that on your website. Now, there's a lot of different CMSs out there. You can go to Wikipedia and look at all the different CMSs. I think there are like 300 of them. And there's probably more, and it's categorized in blocks of what type of language or coding language they use, which I'll get into that as well. Our basic CMSs over here at Blue Sands Group is WordPress, Joomla, and Django. Depending on our clients and how robust their search or their engines are, or what they want to do with their web page, we'll choose different types of CMSs to work with that. Some people have like shopping carts, which we'd probably use Django with, while other people will have like sites that are heavy in articles and blogs and things like that, which a WordPress comes into play a little bit better than that. Joomla, we also use, both of them are PHP based. And PHP is basically the coding or the language that they use to build their site. So anything you see on that site uses PHP coding to get that. If you do hire a person to work on your site, and you're going to do that through a WordPress, and you want your site to be different, that is not using the different templates that are out there, you might want to get a programmer that understands PHP. And then he'll probably build your site on either a WordPress or a Joomla platform. And then the same going with Django. Django is basically a Python language. Now, when you go into, so here's the difference between the two. With WordPress, it's probably for me the best and easiest because it's great for SEO. There's a lot of plugins in there where you could incorporate your Google Analytics as well as meta tags and metadata, and it's all there. It makes it very easy. You could play with the URLs and then all these other great things for WordPress. And if you're building your own site, it doesn't take that long to understand and work WordPress. The other PHP site is Joomla. They also have plugins and widgets. Also, they call them modules and extensions, which is the same as a plugin and a widget. So you could use different plugins for that as well. On the back end, it's not as friendly as WordPress, but it's still a lot friendlier than Django. And then with Django, there's a lot of like back-end coding that goes in there for functionality and things like that. So you could actually redo the entire functionality of the backend for the user to make it easier, but it does take a lot of programming. And that's pretty much it. If you guys are out there and you want to build your site, I would really suggest a WordPress or a Joomla. If you're looking to rank, well, you could rank with all of them. But if you're using it for SEO purposes and you want a site that's easier to use for SEO, then I would probably go with the WordPress. Shopping carts and things like that, a Django, and then Joomla is kind of like interchangeable for what you guys want. All right, and that was our little lesson on CMS. Remember, be sure to visit our site, www.choosebsg.com, and remember, if you can't do it yourself, then choose BSG. I'm Bo. Take care.